Hello everyone, this is Progressive speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel or if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly press the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. This is our usual weekly analysis on gold. Yeah, I told you guys on the previous analysis that gold have gotten to a point of breaking out, either uptrend or downtrend, but that these two minor resistance area will determine where the price of gold will break out to. And as you can see, after testing the 1940 area, which I told you, the price of gold fell to break out this area. So the next candlestick came back to close below the same trend lines. So, and finally, the price of gold broke below the 1904 area, which I told you that if the price successfully tested and break below, that you should expect it at around 1840. Then let me tell you what is going to happen in the gold market in this coming week. But before then, take a proper look at the trend line. I have been saying things about these two trend lines, this yellow trend line and the red trend line. I told you that the yellow trend line is an indication of possibility of gold to break out for uptrend, and as you can see here, that attempt failed, and that the red line is an impulse correction trend lines, that here is the 0 level and here is the number 1 level, the number 2 level, that the number 3 level is still coming to test. And as you can see, the price is seriously jacking down to the 1820 or below, which I told you about. And I told you immediately the price tests this downtrend line, which is around 1820, that the price is going to pull up again. Remember, 0.123 is going to look for the number 4 very swiftly and possibly come back for the number 5th, and that is the exact place that the price of gold is likely to break below the 1820 or 1820 area entirely. But at this point, because of this demarker signal line that have sold far below the 100 oversold area, when the market opens this coming week, the price of gold is going to trend up. The price of gold is possibly, or do I say, going to trend up to test approximately the 1904 area or 1900 area. So let me also remove this, all these arrows, maybe reapply some of them where necessary for you to understand vividly, because already they have played out as expected. So right here you can see this particular shape, which I used to indicate the medium resistance area. At this point, based on what we'll be expecting. Here, the price of gold, by the time the market opens next week, it is likely, not likely actually, but possibly going to test the 1900 area back and then come back to retest this current price, then create a kind of impulse correction, a little impulse correction, and continue trending down to create the divergence area on the H4. Do not forget, I told you that once the DeMarca signal line tests the oversold or overbought area, the 900 or the 100 overbought or 900 or 100 oversold area, that is going to create divergence in either two places depending on the trend before moving up. And at that same point, if you go to daily time frame, you will see that after testing the overbought area at this point, at this very point, the price of gold started creating divergence until it starts breaking down. So after testing, when you look at this area now, testing the oversold 100 DeMarca signal line, the price of gold is coming down here to create the major divergence. But in this case, it's most likely for this DeMarca signal line to retest the 100 oversold signal line. But because the divergence is a necessity, it's inevitable, the price of gold will certainly correct it on H4. So do not expect that the price, after spiking to retest probably 1900 or below, that the price will continue going like that. It will certainly return back to 1840 or 1848, the current price, and probably break below in later times. But like I used to say, don't expect all these things to happen at once, because this is H4. This is H4. So when I said it in the previous analysis that under H4, the candlestick comes out every 4 hours, and of course the delay is going to make it look as if the analysis is not playing out. But if you are patient enough to keep eye on the market, you will see the analysis play out accordingly. In addition, I told you that the 200 and 250 smooth moving averages is crossing, and once it crosses, it is going to take time to cross back. And as you can see, it is successfully crossed, and of course confirming the push down of the price, and the price will continue trending down, even if it is not with the speed to which it broke out here. It will continue trending down until the divergence on H4 finish creating. Then the price is going to reverse back uptrend. So guys, by the time the market opens this Monday, the price is going to retrace back to 1900 or below, and possibly create the M format, the double wing format, and then pull back to retest the same price, then goes back again to retest around 1878. That is the area of the M format. It might not get exactly to this price before going back to retest this M format area before coming down overall, to retest the 1820 area, which is the point of the trend line. So when the market opens, it will not just come straight. There are this drama I just showing you here, or something similar, is what the price of gold is going to display before testing the 1820 area this coming week. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, press the subscription button, share your opinion in the comment section, share my post, and of course recommend the channel. Bye for now.